Hello guys and welcome to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you're having a good day. So for today's video, I wanted to share with you my new makeup finds of Ross, Burlington and Nordstrom rack. We found pretty good stuff. Also, I found really good body care at Ross that I'm going to include in this video. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Definitely subscribe if you are not already, and also give me a thumbs up in case you enjoy watching this video. For now, let's begin. Starting with my Ross Dress for Less finds, I found this Laura Geller Speckle Mist Restore Coconut Water Prime Set and Refresh for only $4.99. Really good find. Also, they had this Laura Geller Timeless Skin Cream Compact in the shade Porcelain. This one is here for $5.99. This is a cream compact foundation. And they had this Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask Apple Lime for only $8.99. An amazing price for this. And they also had this new here from Laura Geller Smart Pout Transfer Proof Lipstick in this shade right here. And this is here for only $3.99. I really like Laura Geller makeup and I'm so happy to find it for super cheap. And they also had this new face wash here from brand Clarins. Love this brand. This is here for $19.99. Soothing Gentle Foaming Cleanser. And they had this new Dominique Cosmetics Coral Blossom palette here at Ross. This one is here for $14.99. It has some really pretty shades. And also from Dominique Cosmetics, they had more of these palettes here as well. These are berries and cream. I showed you in my last video for $14.99. And they had this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna lipstick new here at Ross. This is super affordable here for only $4.99, and this was in this shade right here. Then I found this new mascara here from Laura Geller. This is Love Your Body Volumizing Mascara. This is here for $4.99. Also, they had these Bare Minerals long wear lipsticks for only $5.99 each. I found these in a couple of different shades. So they had this shade Hibiscus. They also had this shade right here. And also they had this one here as well. This is Cherry. $5.99 is great for these. I love Bare Minerals lipsticks. They also had new shade here for this MAC lipstick. These are here for $8.99 each. Also, they had this new set here from Smashbox Prime and Set Duo. It has a setting spray and photo finish primer included, and this set is here for $14.99. From Lime Crime, they had these wet cherry lip and cheek stains in the shade Cherry Tart. They had this shade Cherry Pudding and also Cherry Bubblegum, which is my favorite. These are here for only $5.99 each. For this MAC lipstick, they also had this shade here as well, Breakthrough. These are here for $8.99 as I said. And they had this mini size of Lancome Hypnose Drama Mascara. This mascara is amazing and I find it here for only $6.99. And they had this Laura Geller Blend Away Beige and Brown Multi-Finish Eyeshadows for only $5.99. They also had these It Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Powders in the shade Rich Honey for $14.99. Also, they had these BH Cosmetics Brush Sets. I love BH brushes and palettes. This one calls Poolside Chick. This is here for $14.99. And they had this full big giant size of It Cosmetics CC Cream SPF 50 in the shade Light for $37.99. I love these. This one is 2.5 fluid ounces. Pretty big in size. Never seen this size before, but interesting to find it here at Ross. And they had this CC cream here as well from brand Clinique in the shade Medium, SPF 30. This is here for $19.99. Also, they had these Revolution eyeshadow palettes new here for only $3.99. I have never seen this before in any other discount stores. And they had these Guess palettes here as well, which are not great quality, but I found them here at Ross. Also from Revolution, they had this shadow palette here as well, Color Book. This is pretty huge for $6.99. Now I'll show you my body care finds at Ross. They had this Disney Princess perfume new here. Love this packaging. This is here for $9.99. Also, they had this perfume here from Coach Poppy. This is here for $29.99. And they had this new here from Michael Kors Extreme Sky for only $27.99. And this Burberry for Men for $22.99. They had a bunch of these philosophy all-in-one products. I found Beach Girl, Berry Tart, White Bear, Paradise Girl. These are here for 10.99 each. You can also find them at TJ Maxx for the same price. Also, they had this Corres body washes here as well. These are really affordable for only 5.99 each. From Paris Hilton, they had this new set here, Rose Rush. It has really gorgeous packaging. It has a body wash, body lotion, and a really pretty perfume, and also travel size perfume included for only 29.99. And they had this set here as well from Michael Kors for 27.99. And these trios from Betsy Johnson we have seen at TJ Maxx. These are here at Ross as well for 12.99. And they also had these sets here as well from this brand right here. So I found three different ones. Each of them has a shower gel, a big size of perfume, and also a mini perfume. These are here for 27.99. They also had mini size of Dolce& and Gabbana, the only one perfume. It has no price tag. And also they had this I Am Juicy Couture here at Ross as well for 19.99. And they had this DKNY perfume here as well for 16.99. And also this Ariana Grande Thank You Next. And also a Moonlight from Ariana Grande. And also this Sweet Candy as well. And they had this really cute set here from Juicy Couture, really pretty packaging, and this is here for 29.99. Let's move on to Nordstrom rack. I found all of this once again. I have showed you all of this in detail in my last video. I link my video down below if you guys have not watched it. But now I'll show you new finds. So they had a lot of skincare on discount. I found this Murad set here. It has a mini size of AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser and also a moisturizer for $7.42. And they had a bunch of these Philosophy mini sizes of moisturizers here marked down as well. I love Philosophy skincare. So this moisturizer is really mini size for only $3.97. And they also had these Philosophy Hope in a Jar water creams marked down here as well for $22.97. Also, they had this serum here marked down as well. This is Renewing Dewy Concentrate. This one is here for $24.97. Also from them they had this the micro delivery detoxifying oxygen peel. It has two different products included. So it has a detoxifying charcoal gel and oxygen foam booster as well. So this set is here for 39.97. Original value is 72. And they also had this Take a Deep Breath Oil Free Oxygenating Gel Cream for 14.97. And also they had this Purity Pore Extractor Clay Mask for 19.97. Now let's move on to Burlington finds. I found this BH Cosmetics X Iggy Collection High Shine Lip Gloss. It is really cute. Love the packaging for 2.99. Also from BH, they had this Pearl June palette here. This is what this looks like on the inside. And this one is here for only $4.99. Also from BH, they had this Illuminating in Ireland 6-color highlight palette. It has no price tag. And also they had this Root Cosmetics new palette here as well. This one is here for $7.99. The packaging is so cute on this one. They also had this Becca foundation here, Ever Matte Shine Proof foundation in the shade Mahogany for $5.99. Also, they had this new 35 shades eyeshadow palette from this brand right here, Beauty for You. Don't know this brand, but the palette looks really pretty. This one comes with a mirror, and this is here for $9.99. They also had these Becca Shimmering Skin Perfectors. These are in the shade Moonstone for $6.99. And they had these little sets here from Betsy Johnson. How cute these are. So I found this eyelash curler. This one is here for $3.99. Also they had these tweezers duo here as well. These are here for $3.99. And also this set here as well, soft touch travel nail set. This one is here for $4.99. Also from them, they had these Tuzer 4-pack set here as well from Betsy Johnson for 3.99. They also had this Pink Friday Nicki Minaj set here. It has a body lotion, a perfume, and a shower gel included. And this set is here for 29.99. They also had this really cute set here from Paris Hilton. This is 9-piece Shine Bright Nail Collection. I love the packaging and the shades in this kit. This one is here for only 5.99. Great price.